Hi again! Let's jump into creating layered flowers with this lovely peony. For layered flowers, we will curl and shape our flower layers before assembling. While working, it's helpful to keep the layers grouped by size. As with rolled flowers, it's best to use materials that have color on both sides without a white core or side. Also, since they'll need to be shaped, it's best to use something with enough structure that it will hold the shape, but not so rigid that it will snap. For this peony, we chose a lovely medium weight, solid core cardstock. I've grouped the pieces together by layer. Start with the larger layers by gently curling the outer petals using a small scraper tool. Then glue the small tabs on the large, three-sided pieces into place. To give the centerpieces more dimension, I just bend them all towards the center a bit. Then I slightly stagger the two centerpieces with a smaller piece on top before gluing to make them appear fuller. Since the petals are attached to a middle circle, I just need to glue the small tabs to the back side of the petal to give them shape. Then I will stagger the two like pieces. Once all the layers are assembled, I can start by gluing the smallest inner piece to the next largest piece, making sure they are centered and as full as possible. Continue until all layers are glued. Many of the layered flowers in Design Space are intended to be assembled without a stem. As you can see, they have a flat back piece. These are great for embellishments, wall decor, or frames. See you in the next video.